Seven in the morning, freshen up. See you guys. Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Energy is back. I slept well, but I got up at 5:30. Suddenly 7:30 is our breakfast. Actually I was not sleeping alone. यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी lizard थी. It's 7:24, it's breakfast time. Phone is 80% charged. Battery is charged for the vlogging camera. I just have to roll this up, put it in the car. That is ready. I don't know इसके mic का क्या scene है. कभी कभी ऑन हो जाता है, कभी नहीं होता है. We had a small session here. So यहाँ introduction session चल रहा था, which was so good. Everyone sharing their thoughts and what's happening around. It was really good. So I'll quickly have breakfast. I didn't put camera on people's faces because don't obviously want that. But this is where we had our dinner. This is where we parked our bikes last night. Set up for volleyball, and I think this is a restaurant. Found the Capitan early morning. How was your sleep, sir?
Excellent. How was your sleep?
Amazing, but I got up at 5:30. I don't know why. Where the restaurant is? Ooh, the restaurant is so cool.
Good morning, guys.
Good morning, gang. Caught everyone. मतलब इसने क्या जगह ढूंढी है यार, वो देखो, मतलब असली मजे ही ले रहा है. And some juice. My camera can't capture, but there are two dolphins there. Clearly, crazy ना? मस्त लग रहा है dolphins. Buddies and dolphins. At least from far, है ना? Like everyone is actually enjoying the view outside. This is like, and I just sat here for 5 minutes and they're like, ये हट जा दिख नहीं रहे. He clicked some good photos of ours. He had a special tip.
सीधी बात है ना, इसका नहीं, इसके आईफोन का भाव है.
So lovely bunch of people. We just finished our breakfast and now we have to saddle up. Today's lunch is in Chiploon. In Chiploon there was rain and there was also hailstorm somewhere there. मैं तो आ जाऊँगा, मेरे तो और बैग है. We are going to the Ganpati Phule temple now. All the beauties parked here. As you can see, a lot of orange. Where is my bike? Boom, right here. All set. Yeah, this recommended if you're planning to do this kind of riding. Otherwise it's fine. And insane power. So Ganpati Phule, finally we have reached the main temple. Today is a weekend, it's Saturday, so बहुत crowd रहने वाला है. So cameras are not allowed inside, so I'm using my phone right now to take all the footage. So kept my shoes, better if you get chappals. Got some flowers for my dad. Okay, so the Ganpati Phule experience was amazing. I'm coming to Ganpati Phule after a long time and it was really good. Cameras were not allowed, but still I got some shots here and there outside and stuff like that. It was really good. Weather was nice. Now it's very sunny. We got a bit late because we had a bit of a medical emergency. One of the guys has a bit of a kidney stone pain. So he's now going to be in the car and the KTM mechanic will be riding his bike.
जो highway है. So we will be stopping at couple of places. Because this is the last you will see the sea. So तबीयत से जितना हो सकता है उतना satisfaction करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, the ride has begun. We started very late. Now we're going to see the majestic Arevare road, which is very famous for a beautiful, it's like a rider's dream road stretch. Whoever's done Konkan has definitely done Arevare route. We are having lunch at Chiploon, which will take I think around 2 hours. Post Chiploon, we'll be covering around 3 hours of more ride. Today till Chiploon, we'll get the last of the coast. As you can see, Ratnagiri is around 17 kilometers from here. So we are heading towards Ratnagiri. So people who are sending me a DM that are you heading towards Ratnagiri, you can see now the whole coastline is visible. The water sports happening there.
Very secluded beach. As you can see, few people. That's it. That's the best part about Konkan. I'm enjoying this the most. It's very isolated. If you are done with South Goa, if you've done with North Goa and all the places, then Konkan is the next place. Yes, I have already done Kerala in past. I would do South again in future. Our Kapitan, Mr. Rajiv, manufactures bungee cords, and he has given me one right now, which is on my tank bag. Now this sucker won't even move a bit. I mean, Rhinox does give you a strap ahead near the neck area, but then every time removing that strap, it's not buckled. So you have to go through the, you know, like a D-ring system. But putting a shorter bungee in front solves my purpose. So the bag has been pulled ahead, and the two straps by Rhinox pulls the bag behind. Because this tank of this motorcycle is metal only here. The fed part is all plastic. Get Kokam Limbu Chas here. You'll find them all the way. Konkan food, I am exploring like next level. I mean, I've been eating, even last night, a surmai fry here at the place where we were staying was, I have no words. It was so good, so good. Food, I'm a foodie. My channel name should be Foodie Rider. Because every place I explore, I have the local food. Actually, that's not only for riding. I do that generally also in life. Even if I'm abroad, if I'm in Japan, say, I will not have Indian food. I'll be only having Japanese food. That's how I've lived all my life. But I really thank this jacket also, yaar. You know, the ventilation is so good. So guys, this is where the Arevare route starts.
Today's lunch at Rajdhani.
Rajdhani. Okay, so we are having lunch at Rajdhani and we are at Arevare route.
So Mumbai is 280 kilometers from here. But we are going to Chiplun and then Karad, and tomorrow we'll head for Mumbai. Looks simple, but if you're taking very different routes, it slows you down a lot. Breakfast was good, but by the time we finished the Ganpatipure temple visit, obviously all the breakfast was gone because breakfast was sharp 7 o'clock.
And we have reached. How do you feel, brother?
फीलिंग वेरी मच हंग्री
टू मच हंग्री ना. आज बहुत भूख लगा, आज सबको बहुत भूख लगा है. नाश्ता तो एक्चुअली वो गणपति फूले के वक्त ही उड़ गया ना पूरा. डेडलॉक्स एंड ही गिव्स दैट प्रेडेटर लुक, बट असलियत में ऐसा दिखता है. असलियत में एकदम इनोसेंट है, देखो एकदम भोला भाला. सो डू व्हेन यू सी अ बाइकर वेयरिंग सच हेलमेट्स, डोंट थिंक इज लाइक सम, यू नो, कुछ निकलेगा रोबोट. ऐसा निकलता है.
Look at this bend and look at that view. Woo! Mad machines. Well, the more you ride, the more you fall in love with this machine. It's that simple. So do not have this machine for a longer test drive, or if your friend owns it and tell him, hey, give me for 4 days, you're gonna fall in love with it. The only thing people didn't buy this much is because India doesn't have that good roads. Like, these patches come once in a while, you know. Even for this Konkan ride, 80% or 75% at least, we were doing off-roading. So he made a symbol again for the cow. And once we descend, oh boy, we're gonna get a 30-kilometer rough patch. Oh God, after literally saddling on this bike like insane. But yaar, manna padega, if this engine is on the 790 Adventure and a bit tweaked flips, I can imagine what kind of bike that's gonna be. I can just imagine. It's gonna be crazy. The reason it's gonna be crazy is because this has torque, amazing torque. I mean, in the gravel, I was doing a lot of slick and slide. Wow. मज़ा आ गया यार ये बाइक चला के, except obviously for the seat bit, and I keep saying that all the time about the seat and the wrong roads chosen for. See, every bike is purpose built, right? It's my fault that I'm taking this bike for such a ride. But I mean, what the hell? I wanted to try it. Now made me off a road like this, and I was just getting excited that this got over. But unfortunately, that was just a 3-minute patch in between, and the bad roads begin again. लिटरली इंडिया का क्या सीन है समझ नहीं आता है. यहाँ पे बढ़िया रिवर चल रही है और रोड ऐसे है. देखो रिवर कितनी स्मूथ है, डुबकी लगाने का मन कर रहा है. एंड आवर होटल इज़ 4 minutes अवे एंड वी हैव रीच्ड कराड. टुडे देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ GoPro shots rather than my vlogging camera, because we've been just riding. We didn't even take a tea break, no pee break, no water break, nothing. This break was just to make sure that everyone has come, because we are about to check into a hotel which is 4 minutes away, 4 kilometers to be precise. So we are taking the left. Karad is straight, you can see 2 kilometers, but we are on the Satara highway, Karad Satara highway, where we've booked the hotel. Wow, nice property. We're gonna line up our bikes here. Thank you so much. And this drink is so good, so refreshing. We moved the bikes there. The bikes are now parked there. अरे जान, ये भी चलाने आया तुम लोग को.
कूलेंट मिल रहा है, कूलेंट मिल रहा है पीने के.
KTM coolant. I mean, oh. There be light. Aha. See that? Wow, this looks fancy. Ooh la la. Really nice. Looks good condition. Let's see the bathroom. Bathroom looks nice. Nice basin. Decent storage to keep the bag in gears, which I will do right now. That's a boy Raj. Outside for sure. Oh, yeah. It's the highway, but it's quiet. In fact, that's the same highway we'll be taking tomorrow morning. See the storm off. That's how these ride plans are. But edit will be happening at my studio. Today's ride was fine with bad roads. Ariwari road, when we finished it, like kind of emotional shit. We gotta miss the course. So yeah, it was really good and good. We stopped there and he's like, this is the last of the course, which you'll see. But it was fun. Tomorrow is just highway ride. So I don't know if I'm vlogging, but if I'm vlogging, definitely I think I should vlog, right? If you guys are liking this, comment down. Show some love to your brother, right? Today's plan simple. There's gonna be dinner. There's gonna be a lot of fun with these guys. And if I'm vlogging, I'll continue the clip. Otherwise, I'll end this vlog right here. So I will make a separate video properly about this whole thing. But actually, KTM Rides is doing fantastic. They're having multiple rides. I did get some messages from other people. They're like, hey, there's another ride happening somewhere else. So this is really, really cool. And if you want to register, you can just go online, check it out. I really enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed all the vlogs. See you soon with a new one. Raj from Rad Moto. You know, all this is fine, but the first thing we need to do in such a hotel is